Ningbo Chenfan Auto Accessories Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of various car racks and car bike carriers. Our factory is established in 2008, covers an area of 4,200 square meters. With full set of professional product performance testing equipment, we are able to offer high standard OEM and ODM services to clients all over the world. We've passed Bureau Veritas ISO 9001-2015 Quality System Certification of Enterprises and BSCI certification. As an innovation-oriented company, we have an international design team focusing on innovation strategy analysis and concept design from the very first stage. Our products have more than 80 patents and are TÜV GS ISO qualified. Our car racks and bike carriers are popular in Europe, South America, North America, Australia, Africa, and Asia markets. Treasurall is our own brand, which contains our hope of keeping active on the way of exploring and pursuing to be a worldwide top brand. Advanced design and creative ability is our advantage. Excellent quality and warm service is our business philosophy. Ningbo Chenfan Auto Accessories Company Limited is looking forward to cooperating with you for a splendid achievement in the future.